Hello everyone, welcome to Effortless Elegance. I'm Christy Cruz, Afro-Latina beauty enthusiast, and today we are going to be talking lip service. I know every beauty lover has been in search of the perfect lip formula that will not come off. When they eat, when they're moving around, when their clothes go over their lips, they want it to set and stay. So I found 3 products that claim to do just that. They claim to be non-transferable formulas and that'll last all day. We're going to put them through the teacup test, the kissing test, and we're going to see which ones pass and which ones fail. The first steps for our lip service is going to be lip prep. There are lots of lip scrubs that you can use for your lip prep. It takes off all the dry skin, leaves it moisturized, and plumps them. There's some you can do yourself at home. If you don't have any lip scrub or anything to exfoliate your lips, what you can do is use a little bit of honey, coconut oil, and sugar. Put it in a small container. And what you can do is take a little bit and go over your lips with it like a lip scrub. The nice thing about this, you can find this stuff in your kitchen and it tastes good. After a minute or so, just wipe it off. Your lips should feel soft and moisturized now. Now that we've prepped our lips, first product we're gonna go into that is supposed to stay and be transfer free is the Stay Golden Cosmetics Lip Kit. Now this is the first time I've used this product, so I know that there's a series of steps on how you apply this, so we're gonna figure that out together. The color of this kit is called Burlesque. In the kit, you'll get a lip pencil, gloss bond, the selected color of glitter, and a small applicator. So it looks like it's a 3-step process. Step 1 is to make sure your lips are dry. Step 2 is to apply the gloss bond on your lips. On the box, it says it's really important to keep your lips parted during this application process and not rub them together like we typically do when we put lip gloss on or lipstick on. Ooh, yep, that is sticky. I'm guessing you would have to be very careful during this application process because wherever you put this adhesive, I'm guessing that's where the glitter is going to stick. Step 3 says once the gloss is clear, wet the applicator, it could be this guy, pick up the glitter and apply it to your lips. They call for you to line your lips after application. Okay guys, this is the final application. And I will say that this application process is gonna take some practice if you haven't done it before, which I haven't done it before. This is more on the glam side. This is for a night out. This is for a weekend with the girls. New Year's Eve, Christmas parties. I would wear this lip for those type of events. But the real test, is it transferable? Does it come off? We're gonna put it to the test. No transfer. You have passed the non-transferable test. So if you are looking for a glam lip option, Stay Golden Cosmetics has plenty of options and colors. I would say it passed the test. The next product we're going to use that claims to be a super stay non-transferable type of product is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Stick. And this color is in Seductress. Now this application is easy. So this color is lighter than I thought. It's a little deceiving on the outside. Maybe it dries a deeper color. So this feels very smooth on my lips. It doesn't feel sticky at all. So I'm gonna let this dry. I've given this about 5 minutes or so to dry. We're gonna put it to the test. Ooh. Transferred onto the cup. So this would not be something I would want to wear in a mask or anything else that I would transfer it to as far as like clothing. So this one failed. Even though it didn't pass the non-transferable test, I could see it being a long-lasting lip color during the day. You just might have to reapply it. The last and final product I'm gonna try, and the one that I've been most curious about, is the new NYX Shine Loud Professional Makeup Lip Color. Now this color is in Never Basic. This is a brand new product that just came out, and it claims to be a non-transferable formula that you can wear under a mask and it'll last all day. We'll see. This is a deep chocolate color. This looks like it'd be a really nice fall color. So this application process, they want you to apply it individually. They don't want you to rub your lips together, which is really hard for me to do because that's the first thing I want to do when I put it on. It's a dual-ended lip color. So one side has the color on it and the other side has a clear gloss to it. Once this dries, because I can tell it's still wet and very sticky, then you put the gloss over it and it acts like it seals it. But I think the formula that's actually the non-transferable formula is the lip color, not the gloss. So we're gonna give this a few more minutes. Okay, Never Basic, I like this color. It's been about 5 minutes. Since the non-transferable part of this product is the color, I'm gonna wait to put the gloss on because I think the gloss is transferable. So as deep and dark as this color is, we should be able to tell very easily if it's going to transfer. What do you think? No transfer. Let's try another test. No transfer. This lip color is a win. I'll put the gloss on. So overall recap, our Stay Golden Cosmetics, this was a win. This is more of a glam look, but it was non-transferable. Even before the mask, after the mask, we're all gonna be looking for something that is gonna be long lasting. And if you want something with a little bit of elegance, this would be the one. Our second product, our Maybelline Superstay. Although it did fail the transferable test, I do think that it was a long-lasting product. It was super hard to get off. Actually, I do want to let you guys know what I used to take these off because it was not an easy task. I actually used an alcohol pad to get this one off. For the Stay Golden Cosmetics, I used that coconut oil lip scrub. So an oil-based product helped me to remove that one. And for the win of the day, the NYX Stay Cosmetics, this one, I believe I would wear under my mask. I would wear it and feel confident throughout my day that it's not moving anywhere. For the things that we're going through socially, but just in general, for the makeup lover that doesn't want their lip color transferred, I think NYX nailed it. Well, family, that is it for today. I hope you learned something new. I hope you found a new product that you loved or that you will try, especially during this time of mask wearing. And if you have any other tips and products that I did not cover today, please leave it in the description box so we all can learn from it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you stay up on what Effortless Elegance has going on. When things get tough, put your hair up in a bun, throw some lipstick on, and handle it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.